Ramdam ang Pinoy Pride sa Toronto kung saan itinatampok po ngayon ang pinakamalaking natural pearl sa buong mundo na pagmamayari ng isang Filipino-Canadian artist. At ang higanteng perlas nagmula sa isang isla sa Pilipinas. Ang pasilip sa Beneath the Surface exhibit sa report ni Paula Saraza.
I'm very proud to be able to show our culture because we are truly the Pearl of the Orient.
May bigat na halos 30 kilo at nagkakahalaga ng tumataginting na mahigit $140 milyong ang Giga Pearl na pagmamayari ni Filipino-Canadian contemporary artist Abraham Reyes. Matapos ang ilang taong paghahanda para sa muling pagtampok sa Guinness World Record na pinakamalaking natural pearl sa buong mundo, makikita na ito muli sa Toronto sa pribadong luxury exhibit na pinamagatang Beneath the Surface.
It was brought by my grandfather to Manila, where my godmother resides, as what we call in Filipino, pasalubong. Nobody knew what it was. It was displayed in the living room, and she would always say, "Oh, that's a pearl," as a joke. But not knowing that it turned out to be.
Lingid sa kaalaman ng ilan, 1959 nag-umpisa ang kwento ng Giga Pearl na natagpuan sa isang higanting kabibe na binili ng lolo ni Reyes sa isang mangingisda sa isla ng Camiguin sa Pilipinas. 2014 nang ibigay ang heirloom kay Reyes at 2015 nang una niya itong dalhin sa Toronto at sa Amerika para matukoy ang tunay na halaga nito.
The chances of it even being possible, that it even exists, and that we have it here tonight is pretty astounding. This one ended up being 138,254 carats. So when you think about a 2-carat ring, and then you imagine 138,000 carats, it gives you an idea of the size.
Ilang taong pinaghandaan ni Reyes ang kauna-unahang solo exhibit na bukod sa pagkakataong maibahagi ang kamanghamanghang higanting perlas. Isa rin umano itong paraan para maipamalas ang gandang taglay ng yamang matatagpuan sa Pilipinas.
He's done 2 distinct bodies of work here. One of them is essentially a tribute to the Philippine archipelago. There's over 7,000 islands there. And he's doing a tribute to the natural wonders that exist there.
Makikita rin kasi sa Beneath the Surface exhibit ang iba pang artworks ni Reyes na pinagugulan ng taon buuin gamit ang iba't ibang diamante at perlas na mula rin sa Pilipinas. Simbolo umano sa mayamang kasaysayan at kultura ng pinagmulang bansa.
What makes this event special is the fact that he's using the same pearls and gems in his art. So it's another layer to the story of the Giga Pearl. There's 100 pearls in this piece behind me alone. Same matte, Baroque, natural pearls, which make them incredibly rare and incredibly unique.
My guests here tonight, they're all coming from different backgrounds. And through them, what they learn here, what they experience here, could be shared with their families, their friends, and it will cause a ripple effect. So the Philippines is heard from here, from Toronto, throughout the world.
His art is like a love letter to the Philippines, and that's what it is.
Bahagi ang Giga Pearl ng iba pang koleksyon at obra ni Reyes sa kanyang by appointment exhibit mula ngayong araw hanggang March 18. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.